right, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, Sonny. Hi, Monkey. Today, I'm just going to show you how I'm going to pot on my dahlias. These were tubers that I started a few weeks ago. I always start them off in trays because it doesn't take as much room then. But what you need to do then is lift them out like so. Make sure you get them untangled. I'll show you this one. Nice plant, this. Already been pinched out there. I'm just going to show you how I pinch them out some more. These are the pots I'm going to be putting them into. We should just fit in these with a bit of trimming on the roots. You've got to trim the roots. It's not a major thing as long as it fits. I'm using a peat pre-compost here. This cocoa coir with some Miracle Grow in it. This, so it's got plenty of food in it, which dahlias absolutely love. What I'll do with this is get it in there like so. Now you want to make sure you cover your tubers. Now when they're in the trays, I always leave them sticking out a little bit because you don't want them to rot. But give them a good tap down. From now on, I will feed these twice a week with Miracle Grow liquid feed. But with this one here, see that one there, it's been pinched out. That then sends out loads of little side shoots. This one here, I shall pinch it out just above a leaf node. These will then, that's damaged leaf, these will then get bigger, send out shoots, and you can pinch them out again if you need to, or if you want more flowers. Just do that again. So, in like so. Get the other one here. These are cactus dahlias. These. What I do with these is in the pot like so. Make sure all the tuber fits in there, and then we're just gonna top dress it. And this one hasn't been pinched out yet. What I'm gonna do with this is I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of leaf nodes there. So above the fourth one, and then as you can see here, you can just see this. As you can see here, just there, that's when the new shoots will come from. So I will get 2, 4, 6, 8 side shoots coming up from that. So you get 8 stems instead of 1. So each one of them stems you can even pinch out again, and you get even more. So yeah, that's how to pot your dahlias, how to pinch them out to get more flowers. If you've got any questions about any of my videos, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like them, please subscribe and like, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, monkey.